When you're hello, hello everyone. I've come today to attend the Pace Property Wealth Development event. I've learnt a lot that I haven't known before. I've learnt how we could use writing books as a way to find yourself and leave a mark in this world that could potentially and financially be able to help you and able to help other people as well. I've learned about the service accommodations, which is another way of people becoming financially independent and forgetting about the job description, which is just over broke. And I do recommend attending the next event that's coming up. Thank you.